So far, we've covered research versus pharma. We've covered how to avoid scams. Today, we're talking about how to care for your peptides. This will be a popular one. So, some of this information may or may not make total sense just yet, but we'll go over it now, and I promise it'll make sense in future modules. The field is split with people that either think peptides are so fragile they can't survive the shipping process and people that think they're bulletproof. So, like most things, the truth is in between. I'm going to give you a quick rundown. Peptides are more sensitive after you add water or reconstitute. Peptides should not be shaken, but gently rolled between your hands when you're reconstituting. When you add water, try to run the water down the side of the vial rather than power washing the powder. Lyophilization is a freeze drying process. It requires an additional cryoprotectant binding agent be used, which is why the powder is typically shaped like a puck. This process ensures stability and additional shelf life, as well as offers a bit more protection from a sterility perspective. Many people try to pass this off as fillers, right? Like fillers is a bad thing. But it's really important. There's only a couple of peptide companies that sell raw product that has not been lyophilized. And it's dangerous stuff. One, what you're getting when you buy from these companies is somebody that's literally just sprinkled in a little peptide dust. I don't think that they're in a sterile environment. So you're really risking infection when you're injecting these substances, and the product's not going to last as long. Now, peptides can handle the heat, but if they've been reconstituted, they need to be shipped cold. That's why when you get them from the pharmacy and they come as a liquid, they're usually shipped on ice. And when you buy them from a research company and they're shipped as a powder, they're not. The general rule in storage is that peptides will last months at room temperature and years in the freezer as a powder. Don't freeze your liquid. But I've personally tested a few that have sat for years at room temperature and they were great. As a safety net, I like to just keep everything in the refrigerator. Powder, water, bacteriostatic water, liquid, just all the peptides go in the fridge. Last tip, it can take a few minutes for your peptide to dissolve when you're reconstituting it. Don't panic, add the water, walk away. Give it 10 minutes, give it 20 minutes, give it half an hour. It's going to dissolve. Just don't panic that it's not dissolving as quickly as you'd like.